What's the meaning of black ice? Black ice. Black ice.
Black ice. Black ice. Black ice is a term used to describe a thin, nearly invisible layer of ice that forms on roadways or other surfaces. It is called black because it is transparent and therefore appears as black asphalt beneath it, making it difficult to detect. Black ice typically forms during the winter months when temperatures drop below freezing point, causing water droplets to freeze quickly and creating a slick surface. It is considered dangerous for motorists and pedestrians alike due to its slippery nature and lack of visibility. Drivers are advised to slow down and be extra cautious when encountering black ice conditions to avoid accidents and injuries.